What makes Trademark Factory different from all other trademarking firms? Well, other than it's my baby, the company I founded and have been building for years, there are three main things that make us unique in this space full of intellectual property law firms and $69 trademark filing websites. In this video, I will briefly summarize what sets us apart from everyone else.
Get it trademarked with Trademark Factory.
Unlike everyone else in this industry, we offer result-based services that take care of your entire trademarking process from start to finish. We don't just file your trademark application and leave you on your own like the file and pray services do. And we don't file your trademark and then charge you by the hour to deal with office actions, objections, and refusals like the file and pay attorneys and law firms do. We are the only firm in the world that will get your brand trademarked for one flat fee or give you a full refund if we don't deliver the results that you need. We offer trademarking services with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget so you don't waste your time and money on trademarks that don't go through. So, without going through all the details, and I've published videos that do go into all of these details, now here's a quick summary. The first thing that's different about Trademark Factory is that we charge one fixed fee for the entire process, from start to finish, from filing to registration. No matter how complex your process becomes, your initial fee covers it all. Conducting a comprehensive trademark search to confirm your brand is trademarkable before you file your application, it's included. Responding to an office action alleging that your trademark is descriptive, it's covered. Responding to an office action alleging that your trademark is confusingly similar to another previously filed or registered trademark, it's covered. Doing the back and forth with the trademarks office if they issue a post-allowance office action relating to your specimens of use, it's included. Trademarking is a long and complex process, no matter who does it for you. But our goal is to handle all of its complexities for you without you having to guess how much the whole thing is going to cost, one way or the other. So that's the first big difference, one flat fee that covers it all. The second big difference is our triple peace of mind guarantee. As a business owner, you've got enough to worry about. We want to make your life a little easier and let you focus on growing your business while we focus on taking care of your brand. So we have three unique guarantees that we lovingly refer to as our triple peace of mind guarantee. The first guarantee is that if our trademark search reveals any registrability issues with your brand, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. This way, essentially you get a free opinion why we think your brand is problematic. The second guarantee is that if we told you your brand is registrable and it doesn't get approved by the government, you get a full refund. Doesn't matter how much time we've spent trying to convince the trademarks office to approve it, if you don't get the result we said you should expect, we don't get to keep your money. And finally, our third peace of mind guarantee is there to make it even easier for you to choose Trademark Factory over any other firm out there. We've done all the shopping around for you. So our third guarantee is that if you can find a better deal than what we've got, we will file your trademark for free. And when I say a better deal, I don't mean cheaper. There are plenty of websites out there that will file your trademark for next to nothing. That's not what I'm talking about. What I mean is, if you find any other firm that will charge you a flat fee to have your trademark handled from start to finish by licensed trademark agents and attorneys for a single flat fee and back it up with a full refund guarantee like we do, we will file your trademark for free. We really wanted to create a no-brainer of an offer for growth-minded entrepreneurs who are serious about protecting their brands so that it moves all the risks onto us to make sure you're not wasting your time and money on trademarks that don't go through. So these were features and benefits. I've told you about our flat fee that covers everything from start to finish, about our triple peace of mind guarantee, but there's one more thing, one last big difference that makes Trademark Factory unique. And it's that we actually give a damn. I didn't start Trademark Factory because I saw an opportunity to make some easy money filing trademarks. It's personal. Protecting you from getting ripped off means more to me than you will ever know. Let me tell you why. I was 21 years old, still living and attending law school in Russia. One day, my father, famous Russian composer Mark Minkov, asked me if I could help him sue a radio station. They had taken one of his songs we used to sing together on stage when I was a little boy, and they turned it into a commercial for Samsung without his permission. Now picture this, a long-haired student with no suit or tie and barely any idea about what copyright law was or what to do in a courtroom. Just a son who wanted to do everything possible to help his dad. And 2 years later, we won. I actually had to take this case all the way up to the second highest court in the nation to get my father the vindication he was looking for. And I got hooked on IP. It's been the only thing I've focused on ever since. During my 25-year career, I've helped thousands of clients protect their IP. The list covers everyone from little-known authors, entrepreneurs, and startups to celebrities like J.K. Rowling and multi-billion-dollar companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft. It was a lot of fun learning the ins and outs of IP at the expense of all these huge clients who didn't really care about their legal bills. But I've always wondered how the little guy like you is supposed to protect their intellectual property. Like, surely individual entrepreneurs and startups can't afford to pay all these crazy hourly fees lawyers charge them. That's why I was so excited when I noticed all these trademarking companies popping up that promise to trademark your brand for next to nothing. No wonder so many people chose them over working with attorneys and traditional law firms. It looked like a brilliant idea. In fact, it looked too good to be true. So much so that I decided to look into the details and investigate the fine print. And guess what? I discovered it was all one big ripoff. Yes, they're cheap, but what you're getting is not enough to protect your brand. Sure, that will help you file your trademark, but then they won't tell you that over 81% of trademark applications get rejected. You receive a letter called an office action, and if you don't respond to it within 6 months, your trademark application will be permanently denied. Also, these cheap services won't tell you that they are either not authorized by law to respond to these office actions, or that you would have to pay them by the hour for them to respond, which brings you back to what you were trying to avoid in the first place. So they either don't care about the office actions, or they actually want to profit off of them. The worst part is that most people who use these services don't discover that they didn't get their trademark until months later when it's already too late. And to add insult to injury, they can't even get their money back when their trademark is denied. That did not look right to me. In fact, I was so sick and tired of seeing brand owners get ripped off that I tried to find anybody who would combine the convenience of cheap trademarking websites with the highest level of services you'd expect from experienced attorneys, just without their ridiculous hourly fees. I looked everywhere for someone who would provide trademarking services for a fixed fee that would cover the entire process from start to finish, where you would see right away what the whole thing was going to cost with no hidden fees. For someone who would deal with any and all office actions and issue a full refund if the trademark was denied. And guess what? I found nothing. That's why in 2013, I started Trademark Factory, a company that operates under a simple principle. For one fixed fee, we get your trademark approved, or you get all your money back. It doesn't make sense that we should keep your money if you don't get what you paid for, right? While we can't promise you an all-time low price, we can guarantee that you will get the best trademarking services money can buy. Trademark Factory has a 99.3% rate of success, unheard of in the trademarking industry. And seriously, if your brand is worth trademarking at all, it's worth getting it done right. Over the years, we've helped thousands of growth-minded entrepreneurs build amazing brands, and we would love to help you. If you like what you heard so far, and if you have a brand you would like to protect, just follow the link in the description below and book a call with one of our strategy advisors. The call is free, so what have you got to lose other than your valuable brand? Seriously, if you have a brand name, a logo, a tagline you would like to trademark in the US, Canada, Europe, Australia, China, anywhere, if you'd like to know exactly how much the whole thing is gonna cost, and if you would like to sleep well, knowing you're protected with our triple peace of mind guarantee, if you'd like to know your trademark is handled by an amazing team of people who actually give a damn about your brand and about your business, give us a shot. Book your free call and join hundreds of companies and entrepreneurs who've chosen us to trademark their brands. We've got dozens of video testimonials and 5-star Google reviews, and we would love to welcome you to our Trademark Factory family. So click the link below and schedule your call with our advisors today.